Good morning, Baton Rouge Magnet High School. My name is Mr. Alvarado, the teacher, and this is your weekly recap for January 18th to the 21st. Congratulations to Olivia Lenardi and Isadora Hayes for competing in the Louisiana School Board Arts Association contest. Olivia placed second while Isadora placed first and won district overall. Way to show your art muscles. Due to the new COVID guidelines, Beta is offering virtual weekly tutoring on Tuesdays from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., including ACT prep. Check out the QR code for the Zoom link on the Beta bulletin board in the first floor science wing to sign up. Freshmen who got honor roll their first semester and have not received the National Beta invitation, please see Ms. Cow or Mr. Patty. The National Beta membership for new and returning members who missed the first semester deadline is open until January 28th. Bulldog Bites returns on Monday, January 24th. They will have classic flavors like chocolate chip, double chocolate chip, sugar, and carnival. Prices are $1 for 2 small cookies and $2 for 3 large cookies. And now for your sports news. Congratulations to the girls soccer team. The Lady Bulldog varsity team beat Central 6-0 in their last district matchup. The girls finished second in district this year. Also, congrats to the JV girls soccer team who won 8-0 against Central last night. Go Bulldogs! And here is your lunch menu for next week. Monday will be pasta with meat sauce. Tuesday, a breaded chicken patty with a whole wheat bun. Wednesday is ham and cheese sandwich. Thursday is roasted turkey with steamed brown rice. And Friday is pizza with a whole wheat crust. And then we go to Mr. A for the weather. That's me. Thanks, other me. Hello, Bulldog family. We got another cold front coming, so here's your weather report for Wednesday, January 20th into next week. Today on Thursday, the temperature is taking a nosedive into the upper 40s with an 80% chance of rain. That's some drop in weather. Friday, we might have some wintry mixes with 40% chance of rain and highs in the upper 30s. It's going to be a chilly one. Over the weekend, the weather will be a bit chilly with temperatures between 40 to 60 degrees, but at least the sun will be out. And then coming back to school next week, the temperature will slowly rise back up with highs in the 60s with a 50% chance of rain on Wednesday. That's all for this week's forecast. This is Mr. A with the weekly weather report. Back to everyone at the studio. Stay safe, Bulldogs. That's all for this week's Bulldog News Weekly Recap. As always, this is Baton Rouge Magnet High School where the legacy of excellence continues. Go Bulldogs!